Ready for flight. Drivers behind the line. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to week number 4 of the first robotics competition, live from the field house here at RCC, where 48 teams are in attendance today, all trying to become the very first Hudson Valley regional champion and punch their ticket to the World Championships in St. Louis. And as the time in our first autonomous mode comes to an end, drivers take control. It's going to be an even match coming out of autonomous mode, 50 all. Both alliances electing to use their reserve gear on the airship, getting that first rotor spun up for 40 points. First in motion for the Red Alliance, it's team number 1635, the Technotics. They're back in their retrieval zone, trying to grab a gear to bring over to their pilots in the airship. They're going to be joined by their rookie teammates, team number 6300, with gear in hand, now making their way back across the neutral zone towards their airship. A collision early on, far side of the neutral zone with the blue team, Robo Kings and Queens at 1600, trying to do the same thing as they cross into the front of their blue launch pad, where they're going to deliver a gear to their pilots in the airship. Red Alliance with 2 rotors spinning early on in this match. Well over 1 minute left in play. Blue Alliance still trying to get one more gear up on that second rotor gear chain, which will be good for 40 points. Now in the hands of the pilot from the team from 1600, and they spin up rotor number 2. Just over 1 minute left here in match number 1 at the first ever Hudson Valley Regional. More gears being delivered to the red side of the field. Red Alliance needing only 2 more gears to spin up rotor number 3, good for another 40 points, which might give them a bigger advantage later in this match. Fouls now being called on the Blue Alliance. It's going to be on team number 1600 for being in control of more than 1 gear at a time as they head over to try and deliver. 3950, the Alliance partners now on the rear side of the blue airship, grabbing a gear. You know what that noise means. 30 seconds left as the ropes are dropped from the airships. Robots get ready to climb aboard and get ready for takeoff. All 3 Blue Alliance machines surrounding the blue airship. 1 is airborne. Red trying to follow suit with 15 seconds left. 5202, it's the new robots who are ready for takeoff for the Blue Alliance. 5 seconds left here in match number 1 with 3, 2, 1. Qualifications match number 1 is in the books here at Hudson Valley. Here go the airships and your official scores for qualification match number 1. It is the Red Alliance who will take the victory with a score of 155 to 140. Both alliances having 1 robot ready for takeoff at the end of the match. As we set up for qualification match number 2 here on the field.